I've decided my RV is less of a recreational vehicle and more of a rolling anxiety simulator. Every day, something new breaks just to keep me humble. One day, it's the water pump making sounds like it's gargling gravel. The next, the fridge is staging a quiet protest by turning itself into a sauna. I swear I can't even look at the slide out without it threatening to get stuck halfway like a dramatic actor flopping to the floor. The other day, I flushed the toilet and heard a noise so weird I just whispered, "Not today," and walked away like I didn't see anything. So now I'm starting a new tradition, a day since the last failure counter. It resets every time something leaks, squeals, shorts out, or smells like electrical regret. Current record, 2.5 days, and that's only because I slept through one of them. I live in constant fear and awe, like the RV is a needy partner who keeps testing my commitment. And honestly, it's working.